Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'll be showing you how to recharge the air conditioning of an Audi Q7. First of all, you need to unlock your vehicle. And let me just show you the symptom that I've got as well with the aircon. So the problem I've got is you turn on the ignition and fans are on, as you can see. When I try to turn the aircon on, it comes on for a little while and then goes off. And I will show you now how to fix that. We'll turn the engine off for now, but then we're going to undo the bonnet like so. There's a little lever under here, just push it up and that releases the bonnet lid. Now what we're looking for is the low pressure hose for the air conditioning system. This is the air conditioning unit here, and as you can see there's two hoses, one here, another one here, here and here. And the smaller one is the low pressure hose, and that's what we need to use to recharge the aircon. The first step is to unscrew this cap here, anti-clockwise to loosen, place the cap somewhere it won't get lost. I'm just going to place it there for now, and then as you can see it exposes this nozzle. I bought this air conditioning refrigerant from Amazon for £30. This is the one that you need for this particular Audi. I believe other Volkswagen based cars as well will use similar things. But I've borrowed this reusable dispenser from my very good friend Ian. And this will basically show us how much, what the pressure of the gas within the air conditioning system is basically. So I'm going to show you how to connect it up. What we're going to do is screw this onto here. Let me do that first and I'll restart the video. Keep turning until it gets tight. There we go. The next step is going to be to get this blue nozzle onto that low pressure hose. So on this blue attachment here, you just lift this up like this, and that will allow you to then lift it up and then get it onto the nozzle and then release it, and then it clicked. I'll show you that again. On, and then it clicks. Now you pull it and it won't come off. It's working. Another thing to point out is before you charge, it needs to be this way up, so the bottom end upwards, as is written here. But next step is to turn on the ignition and turn on the aircon. Best thing to do is increase the fan speed to max. Mine's already on 12 for that one, and on the other side as well, on as low as possible. Push the fan button, and then the number will go to 12 here. Go select, and it's on the highest fan speed for both. Remember, it should be upside down like this. So you see how low it is? It's in the white, so it needs to be in the green. So I'm holding down the trigger here. When I release, it should hopefully be higher. Yeah, it's into the green now. I'm just going to do it a little bit more. tried to turn the aircon on, and it works. As you can see, the aircon's coming now, and yes, it's very cold as well, ice cold. So the aircon is charged and working again. Once you've taken the nozzle off, don't forget to screw the cap back on the low pressure hose. That'll be clockwise this time to close the hose. So, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.